How to share a Deezer song that you like to TikTok directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share a Deezer music to TikTok directly. So first thing we do is we go to Deezer app, and now let's just choose any song. Okay, I'm gonna choose this artist, and now I'm gonna choose this song here, and all what you have to do is click on this icon here, and you will have many options to share this music in WhatsApp or Instagram or Messenger or Facebook. But if you want to share it in TikTok, you need just to click and see more options, and you will find TikTok here, and click on it and you will share it. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like.